Hello everyone, welcome to School Quiz. We actually finished the whole chapter motion, and today I thought I'll start the NCRT question of the motion chapter. Okay, you know the exercise question. Okay, because in between, so many questions are there like page wise. So please do it by yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Okay, or you can ask me directly. So students, in the chapter motion, actually most of the NCRT question are easy. You are able to solve it by your own, but some of the question are little bit tough. So I thought I'll give you some important points related to every question so that you can do it by yourself. Okay. So let's start the NCRT question by sharing the slides now. So this is the first NCRT question. So in the first NCRT question, that is, an athlete complete one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So here they are talking about the distance as well as the displacement. So first we have to find the distance and then after about the displacement. So first we will uh, find the time. So time means 2 minutes. If it is multiplied with 60, that will be in the seconds, and adding this, you'll get the whole value of second. That will be 140 seconds. Okay. So here, yeah, the diameter is 200 meter. Number of round completed in 40 seconds. The athlete completed one round. So in 140 seconds, definitely 1 by 40 into, sorry, definite 1 by 40 into 140. So that will be 3.5 round. Okay. In 40 seconds, he completed one round. So in 140 seconds, the athlete will complete 3.5 round. That is the important point. Okay. So in 3.5 round, the diameter is actually 200 meter. Okay, so the radius, that will be 100 meter divided by 2. The distance covered, that will be in a circle, that will be always 2 pi r. You have the value 2 as well as pi also as well as radius also. So after multiplying it and all, that will be this. And as you already know, here here the athlete took 3.5 round. It means multiplied by 3.5. Clear? So that will be 2200 meter. Clear? And what about the displacement? So the displacement is actually, yeah, here you have to use the mind for finding the displacement. For the displacement, here it is written, the athlete makes the 3.5 round. Okay, it actually moving 3.5 round. Now the athletes start from the point A. You can see here it start from the point A, and after completing the rounds, he again one round, two round, and three round. Clear? So it again comes to point E only after completing the three round. So the displacement is 0 for the 3 round. And what about the 0.5 round? 0.5 round means from A to B only. Okay. For the 1 round from A to A, 0.5 round means half from A to B. So here the displacement of the athlete will be equal to the diameter of the circular track because he completed from here to here. Okay. Only half round. And displacement is the shortest distance covered by an object. So instead of moving from point A to B in this direction, athletes should directly move from A to B like this. So displacement will be equal to the diameter, and that will be 200 meter. So I think that is clear to you. First, you have to find how many rounds. So that will be 3.5 round. Distance you will find whole circle, that will be 2 pi r. Okay, and multiplied by 3.5, you'll get the value. Displacement means the half and smallest distance covered. So that will be equal to the diameter. Clear? That is easy question actually. Now, the second question. I'll take 4 5 question only. Okay. So the second question, Joseph is actually jogging from point A to the other point B. You can see from point A to the point B. Okay. Of a straight line 300 meter. So the whole distance is 300 meter and the time is 2 minutes 30 seconds. And then turn around. Again he turns back and jog 100 meter. Okay, to reach the point C. Okay, means the distance is 300 plus 100. Okay, back in another 1 minute. Here the Joseph taking 2 minutes. Here it is taking 1 minute. Clear? Clear? So what are the Joseph average speed as well as the velocity? Average speed as well as the velocity. So the average speed, yeah, you will find the average speed. How you are going to find? Speed is equals to, as I told you, distance upon time. So here in this case, total distance is 300 meter from point A to B. Total time is 2 minutes 30 seconds and here 1 minute. So convert all these minutes into second. That will be 150 seconds. Clear? So average speed is equals to total distance upon total time. That will be 2 meter per second. What about the displacement? Sorry, what about the average velocity? So the average velocity is displacement upon time. So the displacement here, Joseph moved from A to B. You can see in the diagram from A to B. From A to B. Okay, so here the displacement is as equal as distance. So the displacement is 300 and the time is 150 same. Again, the distance as well as the displacement is same. Again, the average speed from A to C. Now, the Joseph moves from A to C. So what is the meaning of A to C? So here the meaning of A to C is, A to C is, I'll show it by diagram. A to C means from A to B and B to C in case of distance. A to B and B to C in case of distance means 300 plus 100. Clear? 300 plus 100, that is 400. Time is 150 seconds plus 60 seconds. That will be 210 seconds. Clear? So the total distance is 400 and time is 60 seconds. We have to add more. Okay, because he moves from B to C also. So the distance will be, the average speed will be 1.90 meter per second. Now, what about the displacement? What about the displacement? So the displacement is negative. Sorry, displacement means to subtract, because displacement here from A to B, that will be 300, and again back. Back means minus in case of displacement. Okay, so 300 minus 100 in case of displacement. 300 minus 100 is 200. And time will remain same in case of distance also, as well as in case of displacement. So that will be 210. So average velocity from A to C, that will be 0.95 meter per seconds. Clear everyone? Okay, this is the second. This is, I think, more easier than first question. Okay, like that I'll take most of the question. Okay, means almost I'll take all question. Now, third is Abdul. Abdul, while driving to school, compute the average speed for his trip to be 20 kilometer per hour. He actually moving with the average speed, that is 20 kilometer per hour. On his return trip along with the same route, there is a less traffic and average speed will be 30 kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed for the Abdul's trip? So in case of that, every time, going time, more traffic, so it will be 20 kilometer per hour. This is the speed. Okay. And coming time, this will be 30 kilometer per hour. This is also the speed. So they have to find the average speed. First, you have to find the speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So the value of speed is 20. Distance we'll take as x. Okay, we'll take it as x. And the time is t. I think I'm visible. Okay. Distance is taken as x and time will taken as t. Clear? So this will be, the time is t1 upon x by 20. And returning time, speed is equals to distance upon time. Here the speed is 30. Distance is what? X upon t2. So the total time, I'll use this innote option. In this case, I think. So here, speed is equals to distance upon time. So the distance is 20, speed is 20, distance upon x upon t. And you'll take like x in place of x, y and all that. Okay. So this is the, yeah. So the x is equals to what? Again, speed is what? 30 x by t2. Clear? Okay. So the total time taken, here the time is t1 plus t2. Total time taken is what? T1 value is x by 20. T2 value is x by 30. So this is your like take LCM. Okay. After taking LCM, this will be like 630x plus 20x, 50x upon 600. 12. So that will be x by 12. Total time. Okay, this will be what? Total time. Clear? This will be what? Total time. Now you can see I took it as same. This will be x upon 12. You can see this will be x by 12 r. Now total speed. Speed is equals to again distance upon time. So total distance is what? 2x into 12. Total distance is like this x. Total distance is 2x. Okay. Again, I'll use innote option so that, yeah, total distance is what? X plus x. One time it is x, another time it is, one time speed is what? Distance. One time it is x, another time it is x. Time is x by 12. Okay. So that will be 2x. 12 will go upper side and that will be x. X cancel out. 12 to the 24. The speed is, total speed is 24 kilometer. Okay. Only 24 kilometer per hour. Clear? So in like that, if in this pattern, okay, in this pattern of question, you have to first find out the speed. How much, first you have to find out the time. How much will be the time? Okay, individually, then total time. Then you have to find the speed. At last, you have to find the speed. Clear? So here the total speed is 24 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now again, we'll use the erase option. We'll move towards the next question. That will be the question number 4. Okay, I think third is clear to everyone. Third is clear to everyone. Now, question number 4 is really very easy. A motorboat starting from rest. Rest means what, student? Rest means initial velocity is 0. Every object which is at rest, so their initial velocity is 0. Okay, and later the motorboat accelerate in a straight line at a constant rate, that at a constant time, okay, that will be the time will be 8 seconds, and here the acceleration is 3 meter per second square. If you are not able to identify is this acceleration or other, so please identify it by unit. Here meter per second is written, so per second square, here per second square is given, so this per second square is the sign of acceleration. So initial velocity is 0, time is 8 seconds, acceleration is 3. So here what we have to find. So how far does the boat travel during this time? How far means the total distance. Total distance is always represented by S. Here you will use the equation third also. I'll tell you how you are going to use. But in equation third, what will be not given? T. Okay, sorry. Here in equation of third, value of t is not required. Okay, in equation third, t will be not. We are able to find the value with the third equation also, but for the third equation, we have to find the value of v, which is actually not given in the question. So delete this formula, as well as t is given. And in equation third, t is not required. So please delete this whole formula for this question only. Okay, like that you can choose which formula you have to apply in which question. Okay, so how you are going to choose? First, see what all given values are there and what you have to find. So with that, so here s is equals to s is equals to ut plus half at square. U is 0, it means multiplied with t, that is also 0. Only what we have to do, a is what? 3 t square, 8 into 8. Cancel out and you will get the 96. Here distance is always represented in the form of meter. So the total distance is 96 meter. Total distance is 96 meter. I think this is clear to you. This is very easy question, I think. Now we'll move towards the question number 5th. Okay, question number 3 will be the last, but it will be lengthy also. So please make a concentration. A driver of car traveling 52 km per hour. Okay, so the initial speed is 52 km per hour. Okay, so that will be kilometer per hour convert into the form of meter per second, because here the time is given. Here you can see the time is given in the form of seconds. So you have to convert it in the form of seconds. So 52 multiplied by 1000 divided by 16 to 60. That is the, or you can directly multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay, 5 by 18. 52 multiplied by 5 by 18. Multiplied by 5 by 18. Then also you will get 14.4. Clear? So here, a driver of car traveling 52 km per hour applies the brake and accelerate uniformly in opposite direction. Okay, the car stops in 5 seconds. Another driver going at 34 km per hour in another car applies his brakes slowly and stop in 20 seconds. Okay, the question is finished. After that, you have to plot the graph. So for the first car, the initial speed is 14.4. Okay, and the final speed is 0. Why? Because the driver applies the brake. Applies the brake means the car comes to rest. Clear? The car comes to rest. So the final speed is 0. And for the second car, the initial speed is again 34 multiplied by 5 by 18 or multiplied by 1000 upon 16 to 60. They both are same. Clear? Now, final speed is here also 0 because the driver applies the brake. Time taken in the first case, that will be 5 seconds. And in the second case, that will be the 10 seconds. So you'll got the values of everything. Now you have to plot the graph between what? First, you have to see You have to plot the graph, that is okay, but between what will be the value of x component and what will be the value of y component. Here you can see in the x component you'll keep time, and in the y component you keep speed. Means this is the graph of speed time. Okay, speed time graph. So for the first, the value of speed, is what? 14.4, and for the second that will be 9.4. You can see 14.4 second, 9.4. In 14.4 the time will be 5 seconds, and for the 9.4 the time will be 10 seconds. So first plot the graph in the graph paper, that will be easy, and keep the value as it is. So the question is very easy. Okay, and distance travel, for the first graph you can see, in always in that type of question you have to take the triangle OAB. OAB. So this is the first graph, OAB. Clear? So in OAB, half base into height. Base will be what? Time will be 5 seconds. Height will be 14.4. So the total distance is 36 meter. In case of this, the base will be 10. Height will be 9.4. So the base is like 10, height will be 9.4, that will be 47 meter. So by the first car, distance travel is 36 meter, and for the second car, the distance will be 47 meter. First 36 meter, second 47 meter. I think these all 5 question is clear to you. Yes, so question 6 is given, but I think the time is enough. So I'm going to stop sharing, and student, please revise all these 5 questions by your own in your copy, so that you are more familiar with the numericals. Okay, student? So at last again, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.